people live in houses. What are you talking about?
What? They're like little mannequins type thing. What's this town called? What?
I don't know.
So we are in the town of Baccarat. We're just gonna go and wander around and kind of see what else is out here.
Look at this street.
Huh?
I love it.
There's a puppy.
The nativity
With the dog.
with the dog.
I like it. Looks like Eddie.
Oh, it does.
Hey, Eddie.
The nativity scene with the black lab. A little Christmas tree with a bunch of presents on it.
They're all saran wrapped so they don't get wet.
Yeah. So they can use them for next year.
That's fun.
I want to open it.
Huh?
Are they real?
No, there are no presents in there. It's a wreath hanging down,
I like it.
but it's pretty cool and at night.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
All the way down there.
I like this little town. Where do you want to go, boo? Left or right?
Right.
Right? Alright, right it is.
What is it?
A little door.
Little door going to the church. Look at that. That's something too.
What?
Up there.
What is that? It doesn't look straight.
Huh?
There's something over there.
Yeah. Let's do it.
That's crazy.
Huh?
Don't go through it, don't run. You can't get back there.
I mean, you could climb over it.
I know.
I mean, I don't know what this is for. Cool.
Let's go.
So they said that this was built around 1135. It was first documented. Stalik. Like you can tell they made some renovations, but you can tell it's old.
Or a broom handle.
It's where Cinderella and her wicked stepsisters live.
Oh, look how tall it is. This is way taller than I thought it was. So tall and skinny. So they can still see out and have air movement but not be too cold?
Maybe. Oh, look at that up there. Yeah, inside there.
How's that not?
Oh yeah, look, you can tell there's a pond and it's like a little bridge across it. We have this all to ourselves. It's like a, what is this? A castle? Room? What is it? All right. It's like a lookout tower for the old castle.
So, Mom,
Hey,
where are we at?
we are at a castle. We're on the little courtyard here.
There's a small
And it has a
courtyard
little moat.
and a moat. Or small, carefully put. There's a little thing right there. Something. So yeah, that's what we're doing. There's the drone.
What time? When? 1322 to
1366.
1366. That's how long it took to build that.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, going for a quick water break.
So, what would we just do then?
Well, we forgot to pay, so we just came back to get a little drink of water, but we forgot to pay to park. So now Mom's down there. She's gonna pay, and then we're gonna get a little ticket because we forgot. So we're just gonna get some water.
And we got water. And there's Mom. And then now we're going to go down there. And we're going to come back to this beautiful car. So, see you there.
The last remaining payphone, is that right?
Well, we've already seen one, so.
Oh, we've seen, yeah, this is our second
It's a T-Mobile hotspot.
T-Mobile hotspot payphone.
Press the button.
Is this place open?
What is this?
A wine store.
I don't think it's open.
No.
It's got to be the local wines because I've seen them
Oh, it's cool.
the same place down this
Where are
street.
they?
German Design Award Special 2016. That's where we wanted to eat, but it's closed. Oh, there's that other castle. It's like up all the way up top there on the hill.
Oh, there's the English.
Oh, they have an English menu?
Yeah, a Greek salad.
Nice.
Mmm.
Euros.
Jalapenos. Oh, I bet that's so good.
These are all empty bottles. Or fill it up with wine right here at the House Weinberg.
So they don't look old.
The Humvee.
Oh, that's really funny.
Why is there a Humvee here? That's Ryan Theater.
Funny.
You can't put any.
Yes, you can.
Oh, you
I don't
can?
think it works.
20 cents.
Can you get your license?
€1.
No. Remember you call it? I used to be an old carousel.
Super old stuff.
That is really old.
What is it?
Is that right? Look, and you could even sit in the spaceships up top.
Oh, look at that.
You know no kids want to ride on the bottom if they could sit in the top.
Look at that. It's like an old, like you said, old carousel.
Yeah, that's cool.
I just wanted to see if there was anything else. Look at the flags.
Oh,
Trump 2020.
wow.
If you've ever seen Big, this is what it looks like.
Things that you wouldn't see in Germany. Trump 2020.
The wishing well. Just like the Goonies.
Andy, you goonie. And here's a little Santa Claus. That's somebody's house. They doing this. Going into somebody's house. Here's a little Santa Claus with a stick of dynamite. Little fairy garden. Just like a half frog, half fish. All these grapevines with all the grapes still on them. That door looks super old.
Like, it looks like it's a.
Like I said, the grapevines that run around it.
1392.
Maybe. No, it's probably the. Like it wraps around it the whole time. All the grapevines.
Turn that off.
So,
Filming?
yeah,
Has it got red?
yes.